for today. Salmon. Look at that. Salmon. Belly. Beef quesadilla. Chicken. Baked seafood pasta. Lechong kawale. Look at that. Too much belly. Pork chop. Salmon. Again, salmon. Big potato. Paella. Chicken stew.
How about this?
Dal. And chicken korma. Guys. Ayam. Bumbu. Kakang. Indonesia. Beef stew. Hello. Tara!